Hi Matej, in the first descent of lights you went very fast, but in the second, how was it?
Yes, today was super slippery out there because the roads here are just like that when it rains, and I knew that it will be probably there will be splits in the descent, so I try to always be in the front. And yes, the race was quite hard on the climbs even before the final. So there was a selection made, and then after in the descent it completely split. We had four guys there, so we were quite good covered, and I didn't feel super. So I said to the other guys, they can do the final, and I will try to anticipate. Then Mikkel attacked in the steep climb, but he didn't get enough advantage, so we took him back by the top, and then I counter-attacked in the descent and went with some other guys. We worked okay together, not super smooth, but still we stayed away. And then in the last climb I managed to go over the top with the best, and I again almost crashed in the descent because it was took the corner wrong because I don't know the roads here well. It's my first time here, so then I got back, and unfortunately I lost the final sprint, but I think it was the best I could do, so I'm happy with the result.